This is going to be a video tutorial on how to reverse images in Canva. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Canva here. I have Canva opened up now on my browser. To reverse an image in Canva, I have a PNG image here. Say that I wanted this ostrich to be running the opposite way. The way to do that, first thing you want to do is select the image. I'm going to left click on the image to select it. Then you want to go up to the top up here, up to where it says flip, and you want to click on flip. And if I want this ostrich running the opposite way, I will click on flip horizontal. Now the ostrich is running the opposite way. Now another thing you could do, if I select this image again, I'm going to go up to the top, I'm going to click on flip. I'm going to go down to the bottom where it says flip vertical. Now I have flipped that ostrich upside down. But that is how you reverse an image in Canva. Thanks for watching.